We are going to work out the area between a curve and a straight line. Look at the description. You need to be able to work out the area between a curve and a straight line. So far, we were calculating the area between the curve and the x-axis. Now we will learn how to calculate the area when it is between a curve and a straight line, which doesn't have to be the x-axis. Sometimes you may wish to find an area between a curve and a line. The method also applies to finding the area between two curves, but this is not required in C2. Look at this graph. We have a curve, which is y2, and we have a straight line, which is y1. We want to find the area between the two curves. This is the region that we want. Look here. In this part, the equation of the straight line is higher than the equation of the curve. This region is found between the intersection of the curve and the straight line. The lower limit is A and the upper limit is B. In order to calculate this area, we have a rule. You find the area of the shaded region by calculating integral y1 minus y2 dx for x starting from A and ending at B. You need to find the points of x. Then you define the higher curve minus the lower curve. y1 is higher, so y1 minus y2. This is because integral y1 dx starting from A to B gives the area below the line or the curve with equation y1. So, first we need to define the higher part, which is higher, the straight line or the curve. Since the straight line is higher, we take it first. As you can see here, the straight line is higher. And we start by finding the region below this line. This is the entire region below this line. Then, integral of y2 dx, where x starts at A and ends at B, gives the area below y2. If you look at this region, this gives us the integral of y2 dx, which is below curve y2. If we subtract them from each other, then the shaded yellow part remains, which is between the curve and the line. So, the shaded region is simply integral y1 dx, where x starts at A and ends at B, minus integral y2 dx, where x starts at A and ends at B. In a simple way, we can say integral y1 minus y2 between parentheses dx, where x starts at A and ends at B. This is the rule. This rule exactly gives us the region between the equation of a straight line and a curve. So higher minus lower in order to get the area between them. As a conclusion, the area between a line, equation y1, and a curve, equation y2, is given by integral y1 minus y2 dx, where x starts at A and ends at B. In the next tutorial, we will do an application of this rule.